today's topic for Science Fest is microplastics. Now, microplastics are very small particles of plastics which carry the microplastic diseases in everything. Microplastics are less than 5 millimeters and are not visible to naked eyes.
For example, cancer. They also like brain problems and a tumor, then reproductive problems, neurological problems. A person is drinking from a plastic bottle. They consume microplastics that harm their body by it gets collected in the stomach and causes inflammation, and this harms our body severely. This may cause cancer cells in our body.
We are the students of class 8 and we're going to talk about the fire gel fuel. We do see nowadays that there are a lot of pollution because of the conventional fossil fuels used in various places. But this can be made out of calcium carbonate and acetic acid, and then with a bit of ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol known as rubbing alcohol. So when we mix calcium acetate with ethyl alcohol, it makes a gel kind of consistency, and when we light it, it produces a high and strong flame, which is also without which also produces a negligible amount of smoke. So it's healthier for the environment.
The name of this project is quasi-vacuum cultivation greenhouses, and since this is using vacuum, there will be control in nutrient consumption, use of infertile lands of India, and also there will be superior and better quality of plants.
We are doing our project on empowering for a greener future with millets, as we are facing many problems right now, such as global warming and groundwater depletion, or soil infertility, and there are certain health problems related to the pesticides that are used to cultivate paddy and wheat, such as the high yielding varieties. Whereas when we use millets do not need any kind of special care or the pesticides, and they can survive in extreme conditions. This is a mixed millet plant. This one's barnyard, this one's brown top, and this one's little millet.
বিজন শুনো দিয়া মন, মোটা আনাজের কথা করি বর্ণন, মোটা আনাজের নাম আজি হইছে মিলেট, পাউন শ্যামা নামে দিদা খেত ভরপেট, আদি এই শস্যাদি মোরা ভুলিতে বসেছি, ইহাদের গুণাগুণ তাই স্মরণ করিতেছি, জোয়ার বাজরা রাগি তাও কিছু প্রচলিত, মনে কি পড়ে কারো কাউন শ্যামা কোদো, ফুটো কি ঘাসের দানা চিনে কি কেহ নাহি চেনে, কিন্তু এসব শস্যের চাষ প্রয়োজন এই দিনে, সবুজ বিপ্লব দেশে আনিল ধান গম, উচ্চ ফলনশীল বলে তারা ফেলিল সরগোল, ইতিপূর্বে প্রচুর মিলের যে ফলাতে জমিতে, ভুলিয়া তারে কৃষক ছুটিল ধান গম ফলাতে, সেই ধান গম আগে জল কীটনাশক, কিনিতে তাহা মরণাপন্ন হয় যে কৃষক, তার উপর জমি যেন বন্ধা যে হয়, কৃষকের উপার্জন তাতে বাড়িবে কি উপায়, কিন্তু যদি মিলেট কৃষক রোপণ করে, জল কীটনাশক তারে কিনিতে না পড়ে, বিশ্বব্যাপী খাদ্য সংকট না করিতে পেরে সহ্য, বিজ্ঞানীরা ফিরিয়ে আনিল দেশের ঐতিহ্য, তাই 2023 হলো ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ইয়ার অফ মিলেট, অভুক্ত না থাকে কেহ খাবে ভরপেট।
I made a process in which I use waste paper to make new usable paper. Paper is a very efficient thing in our daily lives, but after 1 year it gets thrown away, which is a problem. So in this method, I can use the same paper again and again and reduce cutting down of trees and other things.
This year is the soil pH machine. The aim of our project is to provide a cheaper and easier alternative to measure soil pH for farmers. This project is mainly made for the farmers who live in villages and are not much knowledgeable on chemistry or on digital gadgets. So here we have the project which they can use easily by comparing the color of the pH paper with the pH scale provided here. The main aim of our project is sustainability. This project requires no electricity, no battery, nothing. It's made out of completely reusable materials, very cheap, and that's why it's accessible in rural areas where farmers may not have the money to buy expensive pH meters, which are cost ranges from 2,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. This costs under 500 rupees. Our project is waste management. This is a water purifier which helps to. These are the steps that make the purifier work, which provides good so that no pollution and no soil pollution happens. This is our chart. It explains items are collected in one place and then they are distributed to either recycle factory, soil, or like thermocol, which can't be recycled or decomposed. They are going to land uh, fields. So this is all about the awareness about the earth, how to keep the earth clean and make a better place to live in. Thank you. We are presenting different parts like cells of plants. It is also known as sea silk, water silk, and then as there are spirals in it, it is name is spirogyria. Thank you.
So it helps in transpiration and various gas exchanges. In the morning, it takes in carbon dioxide and it breathes out oxygen, and the vice versa at night.
Wetlands are a natural feature, but since they're getting destroyed, this is a constructed or a man-made wetland. So when rainwater from floods or thunderstorms falls here, the layers of sand, soil, pebbles, plant roots, etc. absorb the extra water and also the pollutants from the water. Then the extra water gets out from the wetland through this hole, and the remaining water is used for various purposes.
This project is based on two subjects, biology and physics, with it is based on internal organs, and the title of this project is a dynamic insight into internal organs with the help of luminous energy and sound. Now we will show how it works. So we have to connect two correct options. Suppose intestine. Then if we connect the correct options, light and sound will produce. And if it is a wrong option, there will be no reaction. So this is how we can control the chart of our model, and this is a chart of our model.
Today I am going to represent my project on wastewater purification. The reason I made this project is because nowadays in factories the wastewater is dispersed in the water body nearby, and it gets polluted and gives birth to many of the bacteria and illnesses. So my project will solve this problem, and I will take the toxic water from the factories and houses and purify it and use it for hydroelectricity, gardening. Over here, the purification process starts. So the storage tank is filling up, and when it fills up, the water will go for hydroelectricity, and then the hydroelectricity will work, and then the water will be used for gardening and houses.
This is my project, flood alarm system. So every year thousands of people die and billions of dollars of property get destroyed. Because there are waves, it's fluctuating. So we will add. As you can see, it is more than the danger level, which is 6 centimeter. So that is why the alarm is going on. When the flood is detected, it gives the people enough time to evacuate and save their lives, their cattle's lives and their property.
Ensemble pour la santé personnalisée, optimisée, intelligente et réactive, which translates to together for personalized, optimized, intelligent and responsive health. The function of this model is that it's a multifunctional health monitoring device designed to prove real-time readings of vital signs like ECG, heart rate and body temperature. Additionally, it is portable, sustainable and cost-effective.